Hey guys, I just want to come in and thank Alipearl for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig. And I just want to show you guys everything this wig came with. It came with the wig cap. I'm showing you guys the edge brush, the satin scarf, which is very long, but they're just making sure the wig is secured, okay? And then the lace band. Everybody knows about the elastic band that just mounts your lace, and you gotta make sure you have that on deck at all times. And then they sent these lashes to keep you cute. Thank you. Hey guys, this is how the wig looks before I install it. I did pluck it. I plucked it a little bit, it's not too much. I didn't hot comb it yet, so you guys can't really see the hairline. I'm gonna hot comb it and then show you guys how it looks. So this is the front hot comb. I don't know if I'm showing this right. This is the front hot comb. And it holds 13 by 4. Parting, so you can like do a part anywhere. You can do a design, you can like do braids and all that, so that's really good. And this hair is way longer than I thought, but I am going for the blunt cut look, so I am gonna straighten it on a mannequin just so I can make sure all the parts that I want is straight. And this hair is pretty full, so I'm like very interested to see how this is gonna turn out, because I wanted to go for this like short look like right here, but I believe the hair is a little too full. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna straighten it and y'all can let me know. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks after I straightened it out. I'm definitely gonna have to straighten it again while it's on my head, but I just wanted to get it as straight as possible, like bone straight, while I have it out. So this is how it looks. Really good, really sleek. A brown moment. I've never done brown, so this is gonna be very interesting to me on how it looks on me. So right now I'm thinking I'm gonna do a middle part, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna try it on my head right now and see like what I'm getting a feel for. Oh yeah. Hopefully I've gotten Alipearl wig before, but a closure. Okay. I've gotten an Alipearl wig but a closure before, and it ran a little small, but they sent me a medium, so I'm gonna show you guys how the medium fits me. I do have like mini braids under here, but like I like made it into doo-doo braids kind of. It's fitting me good so far, and the color is looking good. I've never done this, so I'm gonna be terrified through this whole thing. But yeah, the hair is long. Like this is a very long moment, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but I'm like liking the middle part though. Yeah, the middle part's not looking too bad. I think I'm gonna pluck this part a little bit more because I do want that widow's peak effect just to look very laid. I like that widow's peak effect to look very laid, so that's what I'm going for. I might end up just doing a very long bob, like here type long. So if that's the case, because this is very long and I don't want to, like I said originally, the cut was going to be right here, and I don't know how I feel about that anymore. So yeah, so now you guys should just sit back and watch me do my thing. I'm going to put color on this lace just to make it match me a little better. It is an HT lace, so it is gonna blend in really good on its own, but I do want to add a little bit of color to make it look good, so that's what I'm going to be doing now. Now we leave the show on the road. So yeah, that's looking pretty good. The makeup is looking pretty good. It's blending with my skin. It's definitely giving now. I'm just gonna carve out the hair on the side Ooh, brown looks good on me so far, y'all. I like knew it was gonna look good, but I didn't know how good it was gonna look. But I just know it's about to give like chef's kiss. Bring this out. Now that I got all that clipped away, it's time to clean this area, the forehead area where the makeup could have gone, extra residue could have been if somebody has makeup on, where that is. So I'm gonna clean that with 99% alcohol now, and that's just gonna be the base for the glue that I'm gonna apply to my forehead area. So now that that's all cleaned, I'm going to apply 3 to 4 layers of glue. Depends on how long you want your wig on. If I do want it on for a good amount of time, I do 4. This is my last layer. I had to do my next 3 off camera because my camera was about to die. So this is basically dry. As you guys can see, there's no white. I'm like big on no white. I make sure there's no hair in there, like this hair I'm about to pick out. I just see it. I'm gonna press this down, make sure it's time to bring this down, and align it with my hairline to the best of my ability. You don't want it too low, you don't want it too high, so that's always why you have to pay attention when you're doing this part. I'm coming in, and if you guys see me looking off to the side, it's because I am looking at the mirror just to make sure I see how it looks, but this is how it looks to you guys. And I'm gonna do this side now. Spray my the front of my lace. Guys, this is how it looks after Alright guys, this is how it looks after I take the wig, the melt band off. And now I'm just gonna start cutting the lace. Oh, it's so nice. It's in 3 parts. I have this part, I have this part, and I have this part. So I'm tackling 3 individual parts, and I'm not cutting it all at once so it doesn't look like a helmet or like a circle around my forehead. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this side and work my way around my forehead. Okay, so now that I've laid the lace, I'm going to melt my lace one more time just to get rid of the halos and all of that around my hairline. So I'm gonna spray it with the Ibn just to make sure the cast goes away. And this is the final melt before the baby hairs. Alright, now I have taken off my elastic band and it's giving. It looks so good. It is time to cut down my baby hairs. While I was off camera, my camera timed out. I straightened my hair a little bit more, but now I'm gonna take my razor and trim down these baby hairs. It's to each his own. If you want the dramatic hair look, you curl this way. I want the natural, cute look, so I curl this way. I'm going to do my baby hairs off camera because I want them to look really good, but I'm gonna use the Ibn and a baby hair brush, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is how I styled my baby hairs. I'm probably gonna like put mousse on them tomorrow because this is not the finished look, but this is like the blueprint of what it is. I will have to come back tomorrow to finalize everything because I'm getting my haircut tomorrow, so you guys will see the finishing look tomorrow. So yeah, but I am loving the brown already, and it's flowing. It feels very soft, and yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm done with this video. This is how the hair turned out. I did do a long blunt cut, and I love it. I love the brown on my skin. I was very nervous, but yes, Alipearl wig always do it for me. They're always great, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.